Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Forensic Analysis Lecture 22.3. Elaborate on the significance of the following aspects. When documenting a computer-related attack or incident, maintaining an accurate record of what happened, maintaining an accurate record of who was involved, collecting evidence as soon as possible, considering how reliable the evidence, not intentionally imposing alterations to the evidence, ensuring all evidence is relevant, ensuring all evidence is correct, ensuring all evidence is within legal requirements. The importance of the following aspects in documenting a computer-related attack or incident lies in their role in preserving the integrity and accuracy of the investigation, maintaining an accurate record of what happened. The importance of the following aspects in documenting a computer-related attack or incident lies in their role in preserving the integrity and accuracy of the investigation, maintaining an accurate record of what happened. A detailed and precise account of the incident is essential to understand the attack's nature, scope, and impact. This record forms the foundation for further analysis and response. Maintaining an accurate record of who was involved, identifying the individuals or entities involved, helps in determining the motive, intent, and potential sources of the attack. It aids in attribution and legal proceedings if necessary. Collecting evidence as soon as possible. Promptly gathering evidence ensures crucial information is not lost or altered, increasing the likelihood of identifying the attackers and preventing potential future attacks. Recording all findings, documenting all investigative findings, even if they seem insignificant, ensures a comprehensive understanding of the incident and assists in drawing accurate conclusions. Considering how reliable the evidence is, evaluating the reliability and credibility of evidence is crucial in determining its weight in the investigation and avoiding false conclusions. Not intentionally imposing alterations to the evidence, preserving the integrity of evidence, requires avoiding intentional changes which could compromise its admissibility in legal proceedings. Ensuring all evidence is relevant, including only pertinent evidence, reduces clutter and ensures that the investigation focuses on the most critical aspects of the attack. Ensuring all evidence is correct. Verifying the accuracy of evidence is essential to avoid misinterpretations or errors that could affect the investigation's outcome. Ensuring all evidence is within legal requirements, adhering to legal procedures and guidelines when collecting and guidelines when collecting and handling evidence ensures its admissibility in court and upholds the principles of fair investigation. By adhering to these principles, investigators can maintain a solid foundation for analyzing the attack or incident, supporting potential legal actions, and improving overall cybersecurity defenses to prevent similar occurrences in the future. Elaborate on the importance of evaluating the gathered evidence to determine its compliance with the following criteria. Provide evidence of a crime or an incident. Show that the system has been externally or internally compromised. Strongly support one possible cause more than other possible causes. Assessing the gathered evidence to determine its compliance with specific criteria is of utmost importance for several reasons. Provide evidence of a crime or an incident. The evaluation ensures that evidence collected is relevant and can be used to establish the occurrence of a crime or incident. It helps in presenting a clear and compelling case during legal proceedings. Show that the system has been externally or internally compromised. By scrutinizing the evidence, investigators can identify signs of unauthorized access, external attacks, or insider threats. This verification helps pinpoint the source and nature of the compromise, aiding in incident response efforts. Strongly support one possible cause more than other possible causes. By meticulously examining the evidence, investigators can eliminate alternative explanations and focus on the most plausible cause of the crime or incident. This process strengthens the accuracy of the conclusions drawn from the investigation. Compliance with these criteria ensures that the evidence is reliable, relevant, and sufficient to support investigative findings and any subsequent legal actions. It also contributes to building a comprehensive understanding of the events that occur, aiding in the formulation of effective strategies to prevent similar incidents in the future. By adhering to rigorous evaluation standards, investigators can uphold the integrity and credibility of their findings, promoting a fair and just resolution to the case. Elaborate on the significance of enhancing the following practices. In the aftermath of an attack. Content of cybersecurity policies, adherence of cybersecurity policies, security protection measures e.g. hardware and software. Enhancing the following practices in the aftermath of an attack holds critical importance in bolstering overall cybersecurity and mitigating future risks. Content of cybersecurity policies, reevaluating and improving the content of cybersecurity policies is essential to ensure that they are comprehensive, up-to-date, and effectively address the evolving threat landscape. This includes defining clear guidelines, responsibilities, and procedures for handling security incidents, as well as outlining measures to prevent similar attacks. Adherence to cybersecurity policies. Strengthening the adherence to cybersecurity policies ensures that employees and stakeholders understand and follow the prescribed security protocols. Conducting regular training and awareness programs can help reinforce best practices and create a security-aware culture within the organization. Security protection measures e.g. hardware and software. Post-attack, organizations should assess their existing security protection measures, such as firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, and encryption tools. Identifying vulnerabilities and areas for improvement can help optimize the network's defenses and better protect against potential future attacks. By enhancing these practices, organizations can bolster their resilience against cyber threats, improve incident response capabilities, and reduce the likelihood of successful attacks in the future. Additionally, taking proactive measures to address weaknesses and strengthen security measures contributes to safeguarding sensitive data, maintaining business continuity, and protecting the organization's reputation in the face of cyber threats. Examine the advantages and disadvantages of authorizing external agencies to conduct investigations into computer crimes or incidents. Allowing external agencies to investigate computer crimes or incidents can have both benefits and drawbacks. Advantages: expertise and experience. External agencies specializing in cybersecurity and digital forensics often possess advanced skills and experience, providing a higher level of expertise in investigating complex cybercrimes. Objectivity: external agencies can bring an unbiased perspective to the investigation, as they are not directly involved in the organization, and can avoid any internal conflicts of interest. Independence: the independence of external agencies ensures that the investigation remains impartial and transparent, instilling trust in the investigative process and its findings. Specialized tools and resources: these agencies typically had access to advanced forensic tools and resources that may not be available internally, enabling them to conduct thorough and in-depth investigations. Confidentiality: external agencies can maintain a higher level of confidentiality, reducing the risk of sensitive information being leaked or mishandled during the investigation. Drawbacks: cost: hiring external agencies can be expensive, especially for small organizations with limited budgets, making it a less feasible option in some cases. Delay: engaging external agencies may introduce delays in the investigation, as they may need to allocate resources and coordinate with multiple parties. Lack of context: external agencies might lack familiarity with the organization's internal systems and processes, which could impede their ability to fully comprehend the context of the incident. Communication challenges: miscommunication or lack of clear communication channels between the external agency and the organization could hinder the investigation's effectiveness. Legal jurisdiction: cross-border investigations may face legal challenges due to varying laws and regulations in different jurisdictions. Balancing these advantages and drawbacks is essential When deciding whether to involve external agencies in computer crime investigations, organizations should consider their specific needs, resources, and the sensitivity of the incident to make an informed decision that aligns with their overall cybersecurity strategy. Progress check. Pecan technique to revisit. Tick. I know why it's important to ensure evidence about an attack is accurate. I know why it's important to gather evidence immediately after an attack. I know why it's important to record all findings and consider how reliable the evidence is. I know why it's important to collect evidence about an attack that is relevant and correct. I know why it's important to record the facts and not opinions when collecting evidence about an attack. I know why it's important to evaluate evidence first before making recommendations on how to improve the security of a system.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.